Welcome to the Wolver Channel, where crypto legends are forged. This isn't just another tutorial. This is your moment to step into the arena of crypto creation and claim your place. No experience, no excuses. Just a clear path to launching your own token, starting right now. Follow these steps precisely, and by the end of this guide, you'll hold the keys to your very own cryptocurrency. Let's begin. Step 1. Remix. .eth, your gateway to power. Open your browser and navigate to remix.eth. This is where your journey starts. No turning back. Step 2. Create your token file. Lay the foundation. Click New File and name it mytoken.sol. The .sol extension is critical. This file will define your token's destiny. Step 3. Paste your contract code. The engine of success. You need a battle-tested smart contract to make this work. Don't have one? Message me on Telegram immediately, link below, and I'll send you a ready-to-use contract, no hesitation, no delays. Step 4. Compile it. Transform code into action. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select the correct version and hit Compile. If you see green, you're on the right path. Step 5. Deploy. Your token goes live. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any compatible wallet. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. The choice is yours. Set gas fee. Convert to Way value for optimal efficiency. Enter token details with authority. Name, make it strong, make it memorable. Total supply, you control the numbers. Symbol, short, impactful, unmistakable. Press Deploy. Final step, claim what's yours. Copy the contract address, import it into your wallet, and witness your creation come to life. You've just built a cryptocurrency. If this moved you, like this video, support the mission, subscribe, stay ahead of the game, turn on notifications, never miss a breakthrough. Need the code? Act now. Message me on Telegram today, link below, and I'll send you the exact smart contract code you need to begin. The future belongs to those who take action. Your time is now. Start building.